splash of the coconut cream. There's still a lot of sugar in this. I would prefer not to use that anymore. So hopefully I could just use some coconut milk. I'm gonna head to the store on my break today and just do a pickup at Walmart or something. The kids and the students are having a like a fun little, I guess we're gonna tell our stories around a campfire. So I'm just gonna make a campfire for them, and then we're gonna do hot cocoa and apple cider. Hi. Oh, hi. And I don't know, I think it'll be a fun way to wind the year down before we go for break. So I have to go and get some like bulk hot chocolate and apple cider because everything needs to be prepackaged because of all the allergies that happen at our school, and there's just so many, so it's really hard to order and purchase things or even like make things. Like it would be cheaper to home make the hot chocolate, but I just can't because there's so many allergies. So I'm gonna go out and get that, yeah, and then get some groceries, and I'll take you throughout the day. So welcome to Vlogmas day 8. I think it's day 9. It's day 9, yeah. So we're gonna get going. We're getting a little tired these mornings, but the sunset or the sunrise is just so beautiful. So I'll show you some of that. Are you ready to go? All right. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Alright, the kids are dropped off and we are headed to school now. Like I said, on lunch, I guess, it's like 20 minutes. I'm going to pop over to Walmart and pick up my pickup order. I put it in on the Walmart app, and then from there, I just go and pick it up. Pretty easy. But I thought today I could leave it in the comments, but I was going to do a Q&A sometime this week, maybe tomorrow or the next, but any burning questions that you have for me about anything, usually I say no to a few things, but a Q&A about anything. Any questions you have for me, drop them in the comments below. I'm also going to do an Instagram poll, so if you're not following me on there, you can follow me on there. I will leave both accounts linked down. I have a personal account, and then I just have the Mountain Mama account, but I'm not really good at Instagram because it's just another platform that I don't want to waste my time on. I enjoy YouTube. I think it's just like a closer community, but Instagram's fun because of the photos. I love photos, obviously. So yeah, you can leave any questions that you have for me in the comment box down below, and then I'll also put a little post on Instagram as well as YouTube, and I will be answering them sometime this week. I am gonna see if my husband wants to participate, so if you have any questions for him, he probably will answer them and then tell me, but that's him. He probably won't really make many appearances in videos if you could not tell by now, but just leave those questions in the comment box down below, and I am going to start our day. There is not enough coffee in the world, I'm telling you, but I'm getting ready for like, nope, not Halloween, Winter Fun Week. The kids love Winter Fun Week, just like Halloween Fun Week, where we do like winter crafts. It's their time to be crafty, I say, because we tend to try and study the fine arts portion of the art world in elementary school. So it's their time to make those cute little snowflakes and little trees and things like that, snow globes if they want, and I think they really enjoy it. So we're gonna do that and maybe watch some movies that are holiday related. I do have to get PG movies approved. I didn't know that, so that really limits us. I grew up on the Santa Claus and I turned out just fine. I'm thriving, right? So I have to get that movie approved And I think it's because in the beginning they're at a party and there's alcohol being served. I think that's why. So I was like, what if I skip that portion? They're like, no. And then the more that I think about it, Tim Allen makes like little jokes here and there, and like things that never, like a kid would never pick up on. But I think that's another reason for it. So maybe I will find a rated G movie that is holiday related. Maybe you know some, drop them in the comments if you know some. So questions in the comments for me, and holiday movies for me in the comments. But yeah, I have to find that today. I can't get in the building, so I have to speak with security. I didn't get in trouble. I just, something expired and I need to fix it. What else do I have to do? I wanted to go on a walk. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Gotta get the grocery order. It's just it's a busy day, and me saying it out loud is really helpful. So I appreciate you listening to me babble right now. But we are gonna head on in the building, get more coffee, and get, oh man, it's sunny. And get this day started. Welcome to Vlogmas. I wanted to address this like right now because I just read the comment, and sometimes I can't comment back if you haven't noticed during the day, just because I'm teaching and the school Wi-Fi is not the best. So that's why I comment back at night. But I just read this one while I'm sitting here in the parking lot, and it said, do mean comments ever bother you? And I will say, like, I'm a sensitive person, so they do get to me, and there's a few here and there, but majority of my comments are really positive comments. So mean comments don't get to me. Things that get to me, like right now I'm looking and the flag is at half mast again. Like, those kind of things bother me, like world hunger, and those are the things that I need to start focusing on, those kind of things that bother me, and not little things, attacks at my personality or my appearance or the way I raise my children and things like that. So no, negative comments don't bother me anymore, but they used to. I will say I look at them and kind of take a pause and say, like, who raised you? But other than that, no, they don't bother me. So I wanted to address that now, just in case I don't get to some of the comments. And now we are going into the building. I went to Walmart and grabbed all of those holiday party stuff. It came to $25. So if you're looking for an inexpensive, like, holiday fun party, and I'm feeding like 90 people, I think your best bet would be to go to Walmart, because they have so many inexpensive things if you support Walmart. So I got some hot cocoa, some hot apple cider, and all allergy free from what I can read. If not, parents do supply the kids with the allergies, all their stuff. But I got all of that, and then I put stuff in the back, and I'm like, what is this Target bag? And I don't know if you remember, but my husband went on Saturday or Sunday, I think, and went into Target with Wilder and got stuff. There's ground beef in there. Now, it's been pretty cold, so clearly I'm not going to eat it, but I'm just saying it didn't like smell or anything. So I was like, what is this? And it's like the scariest thing for a vegan, to be honest. Like, just like opening up your trunk and finding raw meat. It was just not a fun experience, but we got what we needed. I'm gonna go grab some lunch quick and then head back. I got some teriyaki madness, so I got their tofu and yakisoba noodles with teriyaki sauce. I think there's some veggies down there, but I needed something quick and easy, and this is my first time eating here. I'll let you know how it is. Today I'm over here creating watercolors. We don't have many, but we have a lot of dead markers. I've done this in the past, but you just take all the color that you need, so the yellows, greens, peaches and oranges, light purples, regular purples, all the blues, and all the pinks and reds, and then you put those in their own covers. And I actually just use hot water to put in each one, and then a little bit of hand sanitizer, active ingredient, and that is like a rubbing alcohol, and that brings out some of the pigments. So I'm going to let these sit overnight, and then I will put them into containers so we have them for the classroom. Now I'm working on these beads. So these beads came to us like this, and they're knotted in between. So for some of us finishing up the medallions, this is not ideal because you can't get them off, so I have to cut each individual one. So I just cut them and give them to the kids every now and again. You can probably hear kindergarten being loud out there. I apologize, but you know, they're 5 and still learning about life. So I'm gonna get to stepping on this because it just takes forever. And I might see you at home. I might see you later in the classroom because I really wanted to show you the project that we're working on. Hey, how was your day? Did you have a good time? What'd you learn about?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Did you learn about anything? Did you have fun?
No.
Did you go on the playground? Oh, okay. Well, we'll see you at home then. What do you think?
It's a camper.
What about the camper?
Why did you see a camper on the floor?
Oh, did you say that you love the camper?
No.
Do you want to live in a camper?
In the camper.
Mommy does.
I want to go. Dad is going in the camper.
Yeah, we have to convince Daddy, right?
Oh.
That's our next venture, hopefully. Fingers crossed. That would be really awesome, right? If we lived, do you want to go and travel places, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. All right, we are home and we are boiling some potatoes and we are going to, oh man, hold on. There we go. And we are gonna boil some potatoes so we can make some pierogis and maybe some vegetables and some sausage and things like that. I am not sure what we have in the freezer, but we're gonna put it all together. I know you like when I make pierogis, so I'll show you how I do a winter recipe of pierogis.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are?
We're gonna get started on this orange slice garland. So I have the orange slices here, they're all dried out, and then I have some beading wire. This is just what I have on hand. Sorry, otherwise I would use fishing line, and then I just have a needle, and then I just go through here, and then I'm gonna add some of this eucalyptus like garland to it, and I think we're gonna hang it over the door this year instead of those lights there. And then over on these windows, I was going to do, for now, maybe I'll do the orange garland over the windows and then an evergreen garland over the door. Yes, that's what I think I'll do. So I'll show you how I do that.
Halfway hard, halfway hard.
Oh, no to you. You're not supposed to be up in that chair, Missy.
Said a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come.
We have butter in there, and then we have that ricotta from the other night. We're gonna put our potatoes in there and do a mash, and then we will roll out the dough and do the pierogis. I'm gonna get some water boiling too so we can dunk the pierogis in there, and then we will fry them. It's quite the process, but it is worth it.
Pieces all that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. All that halfway heart.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on over, it's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.